Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 2, that is input and output devices. In this chapter we will learn about input and output devices. So look at the topic very carefully. Your first topic is input devices. Okay students? Your first topic is input devices. Dear students, input devices are used to enter data and information into a computer. The main function of an input device is to take input from the user and convert it into a form that is understood by a computer. Dear students, in the previous classes you have learnt about various commonly used input device. In this chapter, you will learn about some advanced input devices. Okay? So, first topic is graphic tablet. Dear students, a graphic tablet is a touch-sensitive device. It lets the user draw or sketch on its surface using a pen or stylus. It gives a feeling to the user as if he or she is drawing using pencil or pen on a sheet of paper. A graphic tablet is also known as drawing tablet or pen tablet. Dear students, graphic tablets are generally used by artists, architects, illustrator, fashion designer, cartoonist, and so on. Stylus is a pen-shaped device that is used to enter data on the touch-sensitive devices. Once again, listen carefully students. Stylus is a pen-shaped device that is used to enter data on the touch-sensitive devices. Clear students? Now the second topic is light pen. As you all know students, a light pen is a light-sensitive electronic pen. It is used to point, select, draw object and so on a monitor by placing it directly on the computer screen. A light pen is used only with the CRT monitor, not for LED and LCD. It is commonly used by engineers, architects, fashion designer and teacher while teaching on the smart board. Okay students? So light pen is a light sensitive electronic pen and it is used to point, select, draw objects and so on a monitor by placing it directly on the computer screen. And one more thing students, a light pen is used only with the CRT monitor. You must have to remember this. A light pen is used only with the CRT monitor. Now come to the next page. Next topic is barcode reader. Dear students, a barcode reader is a handheld scanner. Barcode reader is a handheld scanner It reads or scans the barcodes that appear on different products using light beam and displays the information on the monitor. Dear students, barcode reader are most commonly used in supermarket and malls. It means students, when you will go in any supermarket and malls, and when you will purchase any goods like biscuits, chocolates, etc., then when you will pay money, before paying money, the shopkeeper will be scan the product, and then after he will give you a bill. Okay. A barcode is a pattern of vertical line of different thickness. Okay students, you must have to learn this. A barcode is a pattern of vertical lines of different thickness that contains the product information such as its name, price, packaging information, and so on. Dear students, a barcode is a pattern of vertical lines, okay, like this. Okay, this is the vertical line and it having different thickness. Okay students, this is known as a vertical line. Okay, barcode scan this and then after gives the result about that particular goods. Now it is a machine readable code. Clear students? Now come to the next topic, that is MICR reader. Dear students, MICR is stand for magnetic ink character recognition. Reader MICR scans the character that are printed using a special ink called magnetic ink. Okay, character written in magnetic ink can be read by the computer even if they are covered with signature or any other marks. This technology is mostly used in banks. The number and character printed at the bottom of the check, such as check number, are printed using magnetic ink. Okay, then you can see this magnetic ink on the checkbook. Bottom of the checkbook you can see some different characteristic, a special character that is printed by magnetic ink. Okay, now the next topic is OCR reader. Dear students, now I am going to explain about OCR reader. Okay, dear student, OCR is stand for optical character recognition. Reader convert printed letter as well as typed text into data that a computer understands. An OCR first scan the text and then produce a digital image of the text. Clear students? The computer recognize the characters and then give the output which a computer can understand. Even handwritten text can be converted into a digital one. Clear students? Now come to the next page. Our next topic is OMR reader. Okay, students. OMR reader. OMR reader is stand for optical mark recognition. Okay, OMR reader is used to read a printed form with bubble and boxes filled with ink or dark pencil. When an OMR sheet passes through a light beam, the optical mark reader detects the marked area. The marked bubble or box reflects less light than that of the unmarked ones. This technology is called optical mark recognition. Okay. Now come to the topic number 4, that is card reader. Okay. Our next topic is card reader. Dear students, a card reader can read the data stored in a computer. Okay, a card reader can read the data stored in a card and pass it on to another device. The information is stored in the form of a barcode, magnetic strip, or a computer chip. The different type of card readers are memory card reader, magnetic card reader, smart card reader. Okay. So first of all, I am going to explain about memory card reader. Dear students, memory card reader is used to pass the information stored in a computer memory card. Nowadays, almost every laptop comes with an embedded memory card reader. Okay. Second is magnetic card reader. It is used to read information contained a magnetic strip card such as debit or credit card. A magnetic strip contains information such as card holder's name, account number, and so on. Okay. Now the next is smart card reader. Dear student, it is used to read smart card. A smart card looks similar to a magnetic card, but instead of a magnetic strip, it contains a teeny chip. Okay, students? Look here. This is a memory card reader, and this is a magnetic card reader, and this is a smart card reader. Okay, students? Now our next topic is biometric device. Okay. Dear students, a biometric device is a security identification device. It is used to authenticate a person's identity based on some unique characteristics like fingerprints, facial image, and voice recognition. A person must be physically present at the time of identification. Okay, students, this is a biometric device. Okay, students, now the topic has gone finished. and the next topic I will explain in my next video. Okay, bye bye students, have a good day.